Hello guys, introduce, my name is John Rapindi. Introduce, my name is Adam Putra Batam.
We will explain about the automatic optical inspection or AOI machine. And this specification of the AOI machine. AOI, Automatic Optical Inspection Machine, is the name of the machine that functions to repair and detect PCB circuit. Like saying if there is an error in the circuit, such as detecting empty component, shifting component, and the circuit component, I will explain the part in the machine AOI. Here is the machine restart button. Here there is the button to turn on the machine monitor. And this is the door to close. Here we have the keyboard, mouse, and this is the monitor. This is an engine start button, engine pause button, and the emergency stop. How to operate the correct AOI engine like this, and never do like this. This is emergency 1, and here is emergency 2. This is the power on off button. Turn it to the left to turn on the machine. This is the AOI engine breaker, and the up position to turn on, and the down position to turn off.
The following is good and correct way of installing the PCB before carrying out an inspection. Make sure all the pins are locked properly and the PCB position is correct so that there are no errors in the inspection. Until here, our discussion about the AOI engine parts. See you the next video.
Okay, here Adam continue from the previous AOI machine video. Here I will explain about the VX Keyence digital microscope machine 6000. Here's the engine spec from the Keyence. First, we press the on button on the Keyence monitor until the VX inscription appears and the main display of Keyence appears. Okay, I put the PCB on the stand. Run on this rack to raise and lower the mount. This is for the brightness. This is for focus area. This is to raise and lower the microscope. This joystick is to look for object on the monitor. And the second button to take autofocus. The rotation in the microscope handle is also to raise and lower the microscope, and this round to lower and raise the microscope lens. And below it to find the focus to the object. This is to set the stand. Here I will practice how to take a picture and save it in file. First, look object with joystick such as the following. Then go to measure, plan measurement, rectangle, then squeeze rect, and automatically take a picture. Then write the name file and save it. How to remove the rectangle? Press delete and then click the red rectangle. Thank you.